Bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says that the stability of peroxide and superoxide of alkali metals increases as we go down the group. So explain giving reasons. So generally the stability of peroxide and superoxide of alkali metal increase as we go down the group. So you have to explain this. So let's solve this question. So, first thing, the stability of peroxide or superoxide increases. First thing, the stability of peroxide and superoxide increases as the size of metal increases. As the size of metal increases. So, as the size of metal increases, the stability of peroxide and superoxide increases because the polarity also increases. So, that is like KO2, then RbO2, then CsO2. So, like this, on the increasing size or when size increases, as the size increases, stability of peroxide and superoxide also increases. So now the reactivity of alkali metals towards the oxygen to form different oxide is due to the strong, like we said, that strong positive field around each alkali metal cation. So the reactivity of alkali metals towards oxygen to form different oxides is due to the strong positive field around alkali metals. Around alkali metals. So the reactivity of alkali metals towards the oxygen to form different oxides is due to generally the strong positive field around the alkali metals, each alkali metal cation. So as the lithium plus is smallest, as lithium plus is smallest, so it does not allow O2 minus ion to react with oxygen. So it does not allow O2 minus ion to react with, or it does not allow O2 minus ion to form compounds. As lithium plus is the smallest, so it does not allow O2 minus ion to form compound. But Na plus is larger than lithium plus, so it cannot prevent the conversion of O2 minus to O2 2 minus. Sorry, it is as Li plus is smallest, so it does not allow O2 minus ion to react with oxygen to react with oxygen further. So Na plus is larger than Li plus, so it cannot prevent the conversion of O2 minus into O2 2 minus. So generally it depends on the size. As much the size is larger, so it can form superoxide and peroxide. But the metal having the smallest size can form peroxide and superoxide. So now the largest K plus Rb plus and Cs plus ions permit O2 2 minus ion to react with O2 forming superoxide ion. O2 minus. So the oxide, that is O2 2 minus, after it becomes O2 minus, so it is oxide, this peroxide, and it is superoxide. So this is the conversion. So now moreover, increased stability of peroxide or superoxide with increase in the size of metal ion is due to the generally stabilization of large anions by larger cations through lattice energy effect. Generally, increased stability of the peroxide or superoxide with increase in the size of metal ion is due to the stabilization of larger anions by larger cations through lattice energy effect. So this is the answer of this question. First thing, it is all about size. So as the size of metal increases, stability of peroxide and superoxide also increases, and it also generally due to the lattice energy, stabilization of larger anions by cations through lattice energy. So hope you understand it well. Best of luck.